Avocados have become increasingly popular in recent years, not only for their delicious taste, but also for their numerous health benefits. These green fruits are packed with nutrients that can help improve overall health and fitness. One of the main reasons why avocados are so beneficial is because they are rich in healthy fats. These fats, known as monounsaturated fats, are essential for brain function, hormone production, and overall energy levels. They also help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can be especially beneficial for those who engage in regular exercise. In addition to healthy fats, avocados are also a great source of fiber. Fiber is important for digestive health and can help to regulate blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for athletes or those who engage in intense workouts, as it can help to stabilize energy levels and prevent crashes. Avocados are also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for overall health and can help to support the immune system, improve skin health, and promote muscle recovery after exercise. By the way, want to learn more about the health benefits of various exercises and foods so you can easily hit your health and fitness goals? Subscribe to this channel. You can also check out this video's description for products we recommend that can help you easily hit your health and fitness goals. One of the key benefits of avocados for fitness enthusiasts is their ability to help with muscle recovery. Avocados contain a high amount of potassium, which is important for muscle function and can help to prevent cramping and soreness after a workout. They also contain vitamin E, which has been shown to reduce muscle damage and inflammation. Another benefit of avocados for fitness is their ability to help with weight management. Despite their high fat content, avocados have been shown to promote weight loss when consumed as part of a balanced diet. This is because the healthy fats in avocados can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Avocados are also a great source of antioxidants, which can help to protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. This can be particularly beneficial for athletes, as intense exercise can increase the production of free radicals in the body. By consuming foods high in antioxidants, such as avocados, you can help to reduce the risk of oxidative damage and support overall health. In addition to their physical benefits, avocados can also have a positive impact on mental health. The healthy fats in avocados have been shown to support brain function and can help to improve mood and cognitive function. This can be especially important for athletes, as mental health plays a crucial role in performance and overall well-being. Overall, avocados are a versatile and nutritious food that can benefit individuals of all fitness levels. Whether you are looking to improve muscle recovery, support weight management, or boost overall health, avocados are a great addition to any diet. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack or meal option, consider adding some avocado to your plate and reap the many benefits it has to offer. Want to learn more? Smash that subscribe button. You can also check out this video's description for products we recommend that can help you easily hit your health and fitness goals.